In this video, you will learn why is it so difficult to save money, how to save a lot of money without harming yourself, and also, we will reveal you the most important secret of financial freedom. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, and don't forget to click on the bell not to miss useful tips on saving money, and we begin. Chapter 1. Understanding the problem. Identifying the causes of your lack of savings is an important step to understanding your financial situation and improving it. Here's a more detailed breakdown of the causes. 1. Excessive spending. Unplanned spending. Frequent unexpected expenses can worsen your financial situation. Luxury and excess. Consumer mentality can lead to overspending. 2. Low income. Low wages. If income is not high enough, savings may be limited. Lack of additional sources of income, failure to take advantage of opportunities to earn extra money. 3. Lack of financial discipline, ineffective money management, failure to properly allocate funds between consumption expenditures, savings, and investments. No financial goals, lack of clear financial goals can lead to a lack of motivation to save. 4. Debts. High interest rates on debts. High interest rates on loans can lead to an increased debt load. Minimal monthly payments. Payments on debts may not be sufficient to repay them regularly. 5. Ineffective investment management. Lack of investment. Failure to invest in investments may deny the opportunity to earn passive income. Failure to match investment strategy to financial goals. Failure to match selected investments to your goals may result in losses. 6. Medical and emergency expenses. Unexpected medical expenses. Hospital bills and treatments can significantly increase expenses. Emergencies. Crises such as job loss or natural disasters can affect your financial situation. 7. Lack of financial knowledge. Lack of financial awareness. Ignorance about investments, taxes, and budget planning can get in the way of achieving financial goals. Understanding these reasons allows you to work more intentionally to improve your financial situation. When the underlying factors are known, a strategy can be developed to start saving and managing money more effectively. Chapter 2. Solutions and tips. Here are some solutions and tips to help improve your ability to save money. 1. Plan a budget, make a budget, determine your monthly income and expenses. Use a budget to control where your money goes. Prioritize. Prioritize basic expenses such as housing, food, and debt before spending on entertainment and luxuries. 2. Increase income. Seek additional sources of income. Consider part-time jobs, freelancing, or additional projects to increase your income. Invest in education and professional development. Improving your skills can lead to a higher salary. 3. Financial discipline. Set financial goals. Determine what you want to save for and develop a plan to achieve them. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account or investment account to avoid the temptation to spend money. 4. Manage debt. Repay your debts. Try to minimize your debt load and pay attention to high-interest debts. Create a debt repayment plan. Develop a strategy to pay off debts gradually, starting with the most expensive ones. 5. Investments and passive income. Explore investment options. Understand the different ways to invest, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and funds. Portfolio diversification. Allocate your investments among different assets to reduce risk. 6. Financial education. Learn from the experts. Read books, listen to podcasts, and study financial literacy to better understand how to manage your finances. 7. Create an emergency fund. Build a reserve. Set aside funds for unexpected expenses so you don't have to turn to savings for minor crises. Following these tips and implementing these solutions will help you better manage your finances and set you up for more successful savings. Financial discipline, planning, and education are key to achieving your financial goals. Summarizing. Finally, let's summarize our conversation about why we so often fail at saving money. For starters, there are certainly many factors that can impact our financial situation, from low income to unexpected emergency expenses. But it's important to remember that money is not just the amount we earn, but also how we manage it. The basic steps to successful savings include budget planning, income enhancement, financial discipline, and investing. Success stories show that even with little starting capital and financial hardship, it is possible to achieve financial independence if there are clear goals and a strategy. In addition, personal finance education and continued development of financial literacy can be a powerful tool for financial management. Keep in mind that the path to savings can be challenging and will require effort. But with constant striving and learning, you can improve your financial situation and achieve your financial goals. I hope our tips and success stories have been an inspiration to you on this journey. Remember that your finances are a tool to create a more stable and comfortable future, and every step in that direction brings you closer to your dreams and goals. Best of luck on this exciting path to savings.